In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix store to a Facebook shop. Let's dive right in and start by opening your Wix dashboard, which is your go-to place for managing everything on your site. From there, head over to the Wix App Market, a fantastic resource where you can find various apps to enhance your website's functionality. Here, we'll be looking for an app called Facebook Shops by GoDataFeed. This app is essential because it serves as the bridge between your Wix store and your Facebook shop, allowing you to manage products and orders efficiently. Once you've found Facebook Shops by GoDataFeed, click on it to add it to your site. This part is straightforward and works just like installing any other app on your phone. Follow the on-screen installation prompts to get it set up. This app will integrate seamlessly with your Wix site, which is great for keeping everything organized. Remember, having all your tools in one place helps streamline the process, which saves you time in the long run. After the installation, the next step is connecting your Facebook account. Here's where you'll need your Facebook login details handy. Once you're logged in, authorize the app to access your Facebook account. This connection is vital because it allows for the sharing of your product data between Wix and Facebook, making sure everything stays up to date. During this setup, you might be prompted to provide some necessary details, such as verifying your account and choosing which business assets to connect. Fill in these details carefully to make sure everything's linked properly. With your setup nearly complete, the focus now shifts to syncing your product catalog. Essentially, what you're doing here is taking your existing product listings on Wix and mirroring them into your Facebook shop. The app will guide you through this process, ensuring that your product details, images, and stock levels reflect accurately on both platforms. This step is crucial as it ensures that your customers receive consistent information no matter where they shop. Also, regular syncing helps manage updates efficiently, like price changes or new product additions. Finally, having set it all up, you now have the ability to manage your orders from one central place. This integration simplifies handling orders because you can now track what's selling well, manage inventory, and keep your customers happy by processing and shipping orders promptly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Wix store to your Facebook shop, opening up your business to a broader audience. Embrace the opportunity this integration offers, draw in more customers, and watch your business grow. Remember, the key to success here is keeping everything in sync and ensuring your product information is always up to date. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.